Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can do future trading in Bitget. So let's begin the video. Here in Bitget you can do two types of trading. Here you have one called spot trading. In spot trading you do trading at a specific spot at the current rate. In the future trading you do trading with your own money and with the borrowed money. So here I will give you a step-by-step tutorial how you can do that. Here I have opened one coin. You can see its chart here as well, and here you can also see the order book and market rate as well. Here for buying and selling you have this usdt-m future option, and you also have this coin m future option and usd-m future option. The most preferable here is usdt option, so you can pick here this one. I have just picked here the Bitcoin USD. Now here moreover you have this order book where you can see the buying and the selling order. Here in the bottom you can see the buying order, and on the top you can see the selling order. And here you also have this market rate where you can see that how market is basically trading and working. Here you can get idea about how market is going on. Now let's talk about the trading method. Here you have two methods. You have this cross trading method and isolated trading method. In the cross trading basically traders do trading of different coin under the same margin. So liquidity in one coin can affect the other coin as well. For beginners you should go with risk-free thing, and you should go with isolated trading, because in isolated trading there are not that much chance of losing all the coins, and in liquidity in one coin will not affect the other coins in the isolated trading. So for beginners isolated trading is the best option. Next here you have this leverage option where you can see here basically this 10x shows that how much time you are using this leverage trading. Here you can use from 1x to almost 1 to 5x, but always make sure that this will be applied for loss and for profit as well. So for beginners I suggest you going with leverage only under 10x, because that will not gonna affect you much, and if you are a beginner then that's best for you. And here you have this open and close. Open basically shows when you can buy, and close shows here when you can sell. And here you have more options. You can see here the limit, market and post only options. Limit basically put a limit on buying and selling. Here you set a limit, like if the amount goes here you can buy that, and if the amount goes below then they will automatically gonna sell and gonna buy that coin. So basically here you set a limit for buying and selling. That's how this limit basically works. And here for limit you can also select here the position size percentage, and you can set here the amount you want to put in and the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. And here similarly you also have take profit and stop loss, where you can set a limit for taking profit and a limit for selling to avoid a loss. That's how basically take profit and stop loss works. Next here you have market, where you can buy the coin at the market rate. Here you have to write the price and then the amount, and that's how you can buy basically at the market rate the coin. Next here you have this post only. Now here if we scroll more to the bottom you can see here the option called margin. Here you can set a margin rate, and for that you have here single assist mode and multiple assist mode. Here you can choose one mode according to your own need, and moreover here you have assist where you can see your total balance, and you have here buy crypto, deposit and transfer option. For depositing here you have to select a coin. You have here many options. Next step is choosing a network. Here you have to choose a network for depositing money. Here if you have many options for network as well, you can choose one option from here and you can deposit your money. Now here if we talk about how you can buy crypto, here you can see this use peer-to-peer to buy and sell USDT. Here you can see sell and buy. From here you can buy the coins and you can also sell. Now here the last and the most important thing is chart. Be careful by observing the charts. Here you can see 1 second chart, 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, 1 hour chart. Here I will just go with maybe 1 week, because it's more easy to judge from 1 week chart than from few minutes and few seconds graphs. Here you can see the coin's weekly progress, how the coin is doing, and here you have indicators where you can also select an indicator. Here you also have this candle option where you can change the candle position to some arrows or lines. Here you can see that now I have changed that to arrows. You can change this position to area maybe as well, graphs as well. You can change it to whatever mode you find easy in understanding. So I will just go with candles because candles are more easy to understand according to me. These candles in charts are very important because from here you can get idea if the market will go up or down. Now here in the end I will give you a quick wrap up about whole process. So the first step is create and fund your Bitget account. Sign up at bitget.com and deposit USDT or crypto into your future wallet. Second step is choose the future market. Go to future, tap Ether, USDT, margin or coin margin. Select your desired trading pair like a BTC or USDT. Third step is understanding the leverage. Set up your leverage, for example, if you want 10x or 20x. But remember that high leverage is equal to high risk and high reward. Step 4 is technical analysis. You should know when to trade. Step 5 is decide trade direction. If you think price will go up, then go with long, and if you think price will go down, then go with short. And step 6 is place your order. Choose market order or limit. And step 7 is manage risk. Always use a stop loss and take profit levels. Don't over leverage and don't use all your capitals on one trade. Step 8 is monitor and exist. You can manually close anytime or you can use the stop loss and take profit tick. This was basically all about how you can do the future trading in Bitcoin. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.